Today, I'm walking you through every working way to reset a TCL Roku TV, step by step, but before we dive in, there's one quick thing you should know. Not every TCL Roku TV has a reset button, so if one method doesn't work for your model, don't stress, just move on to the next one. One of these is almost guaranteed to fix your issue. Alright, let's start with the most direct method. Some TCL Roku TVs have a tiny reset pinhole on the back or side of the TV. Take a look around the frame, especially near the HDMI ports. If you see a little hole labeled reset, you're in luck. Here's what you do. Grab a toothpick, a paper clip, or even the tip of a pen. Make sure your TV is plugged in. Now press and hold that reset button. Keep holding it. The screen will probably go black for a second. That's totally normal. Don't let go yet. After a few more seconds, the TV will turn back on and you'll see the TCL Roku logo. Once you see that, you can finally let go. The TV might reboot twice. That's expected. Give it about 30 seconds. When you see the setup screen, you're all set. Your TV is now factory reset. If you don't see a reset pinhole, no worries. On to method 2. Many newer TCL Roku TVs, especially recent models, don't have a reset button. Instead, there's a button combo. Look for the power and volume buttons on the TV itself. Usually, they're on the bottom edge or the side. Press and hold power and volume up at the same time. If nothing happens, try power and volume down instead. Hold those buttons for about 7 to 20 seconds. If your TV supports this method, you'll see a hard reset or recovery reboot startup. If the screen just stays black or the logo pops up, just wait. Let the TV finish its thing. If nothing happens, just keep moving down the list. Method 3 is another trick. Press and hold the power button right on the TV panel. While you're holding them, unplug the TV from the wall. Keep holding the button. Now, plug the TV back in. When you see the TCL Roku logo pop up, go ahead and release the power button. On certain models, this will force a factory reset. It works when nothing else does. Method 4. This is a soft reset, so it doesn't erase your stuff. On your Roku remote, press home 5 times, up once, rewind 2 times, then fast forward 2 times. The TV will reboot automatically. Try each method, give the TV about a minute to respond, and as soon as the reset starts, you're good. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more fixes, and drop a comment if you've got questions. Thanks for watching.